Breaking news across the nation. The Pfizer vaccine is now the first COVID shot to receive full FDA approval. The full FDA approval allows more businesses and organizations to make the vaccine mandatory. The Pfizer vaccine can now stay on the market after the pandemic ends.
ABC's Alex Brochet continues our team coverage from Washington.
The FDA gave full approval to the Pfizer vaccine in people 16 and older, a potential game changer in the COVID fight as it could convince more Americans to get vaccinated. It also could impact vaccine requirements.
This is a pivotal moment for our country in the fight against the pandemic. While this and other vaccines have met the FDA's rigorous scientific standards for emergency use authorization, as the first FDA-approved COVID-19 vaccine, the public can be confident that this vaccine meets the FDA's gold standards for safety, effectiveness, and manufacturing quality.
More than 80 million eligible Americans are still unvaccinated. 31% of those who haven't gotten the shot say they would if it was approved by the FDA. The daily case average in the U.S. is at 137,000, up 230% in the last month. Experts fear those numbers could increase. More than 87,000 COVID patients are hospitalized around the country, many areas running short on hospital beds and nurses.
The never-ending story. And the biggest question is, when is this going to stop?
Meanwhile, the Biden administration's discussing plans for booster shots for Americans starting the week of September 20th, despite criticism from the World Health Organization and others that the U.S. should not offer booster shots to Americans while many countries lag in vaccine access.
We have to protect American lives, and we have to help vaccinate the world, because that is the only way this pandemic ends.
The CDC set to meet on boosters tomorrow. So far, the U.S. has donated more than 120 million vaccine doses to other countries, and it's committed to donating 500 million. Alex Brochet, ABC News, Washington.
The White House has reported 3 straight days of at least 1 million doses of vaccine administered, and the full vaccine approval could make it easier to mandate vaccines.
And Ashley, back here at home, we're keeping a close eye on the rise in people getting hospitalized from COVID-19. In fact, as of today, we're seeing the most hospitalizations statewide since February 27th. Today, 1,364 people to be exact currently hospitalized, many of them in the ICU. Sadly, 363 of them are in intensive care as we speak. Now, let's put this all in perspective for you, because it's mostly unvaccinated people ending up in the hospital and getting COVID and ending up dying from this virus. 4.7 million people have been vaccinated throughout all of Virginia so far, and well less than 1% of them have come down with the virus, been hospitalized, or died since then. To put it another way, Ashley, unvaccinated people have developed COVID at a rate of 12.5 times higher than fully vaccinated people. Back to you.